You ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the...
He's gonna have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not getting out.
You're not getting out?
You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
I can get out on my own.
Well, you're not, so get out now.
Back up and give me a second.
A routine traffic stop, a suspended license, 3 officers, and a driver who believed refusing to exit the vehicle was a right. Was she wrong? And how far does the law actually go?
How's it going? I'm Officer Estrada, the Lincolnton Police Department. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Is it safe to get it out?
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance?
It's a rental.
It's a rental. How long have you had the rental for? Do you mind hanging up while we're...
Oh, I'm definitely not.
I'm sorry?
I can't.
I can't hear you.
I said I'm not hanging up my phone, and it's a rental, and I've had it for about a week.
Okay. The reason I'm pulling you over is you ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the other hand.
I definitely didn't run a stop sign. I would never run a stop sign.
Well, you did. And
So I can't be online.
you cannot be holding your phone, and you cannot be holding coffee in another hand. You need to be paying attention to driving.
I'm not driving. I'll just take the ticket and go. This is not.
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a residential. It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a phone in one hand and a coffee in the other, and you're in a residential neighborhood.
I don't want to.
So okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please.
The officer would return to his car to write up the ticket.
Before it's 2 suspensions and a speed tag order without notice.
Delta 25 out from myself.
I think I'm in a 1015er.
What?
Willis? She's gonna be 1015.
They're doing a criminal site?
What's that?
A criminal site?
No, she's gonna go. She's been suspended twice. She blows a stop sign back here, phone in one hand, coffee in the other. I pull over, still yakking on the phone, still has coffee in her hand, and then starts giving me a bunch of attitude. And her license isn't even good for a TK. But so, like, she clearly just
Anderson and I-4 on ramp.
doesn't care. All right, we're gonna have her come step out, sign those.
Hello. He's gonna have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not getting out.
You're not getting out?
No, he can bring it right here. Officer Sayer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer is asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
And according to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
I can sign right here. I'm not going to get out.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not going to get out. So
Well,
we can move to the next.
Here's the deal. You're being placed
For
under
a
arrest,
ticket.
and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out by busting this window.
I'll pop the other one.
You can step out, or we're going to take you out. You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license. Step out of the vehicle. This is not going to end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
The door unlocked?
No. What? You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to bust this window.
Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man.
Do you have a punch?
You want me to pop it?
Open the vehicle now. You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
You, so you can't hear you, so just open the door.
Open the vehicle and step out.
What is your name?
Or I am going to pull you out of this vehicle. Do you understand me?
Are making me feel very threatened.
You are dictating how this goes. You are under arrest. You need to step out of the vehicle and put your hands behind your back.
You started this.
Yes, I pulled you over. You need to step out of the vehicle. Okay, step out of the vehicle right now.
Yeah, but this is on the 25 West Third.
I'm not gonna
Step out. Come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can
Step
have one
out
with
of the
you.
vehicle.
I can
You
have
are
one
under
with you. But I
arrest.
can't have one with you.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
Get out of the vehicle,
No.
ma'am.
You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just
Get
get out.
But not like this. But not like this.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
Or
Drive with a suspended license.
Are you gonna hit me? Who's
are
that
you
for?
gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
Get out
No.
of the car. Go on.
No. No. We're not doing this. No. No.
All right, you're about to get sprayed.
No. I don't.
Okay, so get.
I also don't want y'all
You have to get out of the
harassing
car.
me.
Let go. You are under arrest.
For what?
Step
Drive with
out
a
of the
suspended
vehicle now.
license. Come on.
Step
I'm
out
trying to
of the
do
vehicle
I'm trying
now.
to do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Come on.
Step out
It
of the
don't
vehicle
take three
now.
of y'all.
Okay,
It's
well.
3 of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on my
Stop.
own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
Just back up and give me a second.
Let's go
I
now.
want to make it up.
Get out of the car.
I'll get out on my own.
You have to get
I
out.
can get out.
Step out now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're under
He's
arrest.
making it difficult.
Put your hands behind your back.
They're arresting me, guys.
I'm trying to, I can't hear her.
And it's 3 of them.
Oh my God. What is it? Oh, you want to go?
Let's go.
Can you go?
Come on.
Okay. Okay. We'll go up to this.
Does this make y'all feel good?
No,
No, it doesn't.
this is not what I wanted to be doing today.
Do you have like a specific problem
No,
with me?
I have a problem that you're in a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I have
holding
a
the steering
problem.
wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll just sit right
Go
here.
back. No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car. It's done. You're under arrest. Sit in the vehicle, please. Get in the vehicle. Sit down. Thank you.
Hello?
Legal foundation of the stop under Florida statute. 316.122, failure to obey a stop sign is a primary traffic infraction, establishing immediate probable cause. Independent of that Florida statute, 316.305, the hands-free law prohibits manually operating a wireless device while driving. 2 independent legal bases. The stop was unassailable. The exit order and Pennsylvania v. Mimms 1977. The Supreme Court held in Pennsylvania v. Mimms that an officer may order a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle, as a matter of course requiring no additional justification. The court described the intrusion on the driver as de minimis, while the officer's safety benefit is substantial. Refusing that order is not exercising a right, it is committing a new crime. Florida Statute 843.02, resisting without violence. This statute defines resisting as obstructing or opposing an officer in the lawful execution of any legal duty. The operative word is lawful. Because the exit order under Mimms is lawful every second inside that vehicle after the refusal constitutes an independent criminal act, no physical contact is required to satisfy this statute. Florida Statute 322.34, suspended license. Driving with knowledge of a suspended license is a criminal misdemeanor. A second or subsequent offense carries mandatory minimum jail time. Dispatch confirmed 2 prior suspensions. This elevated the stop from a civil fine to a custodial arrest with no officer discretion required. The driver had crossed from a citation into criminal territory before the officer returned to the window. Graham v. Connor 1989, use of force standard. The Supreme Court established that force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. 3 controlling factors apply here: severity of the crime, whether the subject posed a threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. The window break warning was a proportionate escalation, not a punitive response. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001. The Supreme Court further confirmed in Atwater v. Lago Vista that a full custodial arrest for a minor traffic offense is constitutionally permissible under the Fourth Amendment. The misdemeanor nature of the suspended license charge does not limit the officer's authority to arrest. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, a traffic stop is not a negotiation. Lawful orders from officers carry immediate legal obligation. Second, prior license suspensions are discoverable in under 2 minutes. Driving suspended is never a hidden risk. Third, passive noncompliance is criminal under Florida law. Locking a car door to avoid arrest satisfies the elements of 843.02. The open question: 2 charges, a $164 citation, and 3 officers needed to remove 1 driver from a vehicle. Was the force applied genuinely proportionate to a suspended license? Does Mimms give officers unlimited authority to physically extract a nonviolent subject? And when passive resistance meets active force, where exactly does the law draw the line? The court records in this case remain unresolved at time of analysis. The outcome may change every conclusion drawn here. What would a jury decide? What should they decide? That question does not have a clean answer, and the next video will go deeper.